Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a complete online banking website in just 10 minutes. This online banking is very beautiful and fast. You are going to use the Toner Bank script. Before we proceed, let me give you a quick introduction about me. My name is Andy. I am a website and app developer. I help my clients build fast and reliable websites. I create this channel to help my clients understand how I build and manage their websites in order to increase trust and transparency. If you want to learn how to build websites or you want me to work with you on your project, then feel free to subscribe and leave a comment. Now, without wasting much time, let's get straight to the tutorial. The first thing you need is a domain and hosting. I want this video to be short, so I already created a separate video that you can watch and learn how to buy cheap hosting and domain. Click here to watch the video. If you already have your hosting and domain, then let's proceed. Secondly, you need the toner script. This script is the overall functionality of your website. Without it, you won't be able to follow along with the steps. You can get the script in the description of this video. After getting the script, let's proceed with building the website. First, open your cPanel. If you watched the video on how to buy hosting and domain, then you already know how to open your cPanel. When you arrive in your cPanel, you will see many functionalities. Here you can see your domain name. This is my own domain name that I want to use for this tutorial. If I click it, you can see that the website is completely empty. So go back to your cPanel and scroll down a little, then click on File Manager. In this file manager, all your website files will be stored. Then open the index.html folder. This is the main folder where your website files will be stored. As you can see, it is currently empty. So click upload to upload the Toner Bank script you downloaded earlier. Go to your file manager, then drag and drop the Toner Bank script on the upload page. It will start uploading. Don't interrupt this process. Just leave it like this and allow it to finish uploading. Wait until it shows green before you do anything. Once it is complete, click here to go back to your website folder. Here you can see the uploaded script. Just click it once to highlight it. Then on the top menu, click Extract to extract the script. It will extract within just a few seconds. Close this notice. Here you can see all the files inside the script. Now open the files folder. You will see some files here. Click select all, then click move because you need to move these files to your main domain folder. Here you need to delete the files location and leave only the public_HTML. Then click move files. Then go back to your folder. Here you can see all the files you just moved. Now let's test the website and see what will show. I will go back to the website and refresh it. Then you will see this error. You need to upgrade your PHP version to at least version 8.3. If not, the website will not work. Just go back to your cPanel homepage, then scroll down slowly until you see select PHP version. Here it is. As you can see, my PHP version is currently 8.2, but we need at least version 8.3. So just click it and select a higher version. As for me, I chose version 8.4 because it is the latest. Then click apply to apply it. After that, go to the extension tab, then scroll down. Here you need to make sure that MB string extension is enabled. If it is not enabled, enable it. As for me, my own is already enabled, so I will leave it like that. Then go back to your cPanel and visit your website again. As you can see, the error message is gone. Now we have a different error message. This is a server error, which is a database error, because I haven't created our database yet. Now we can proceed to create our database. To create database, go back to your cPanel homepage, then scroll down and look for Database Wizard. Click it. Here you can create a database name. I prefer my database name to be simple, so I just enter banking for simplicity. Now you can create a database user. I prefer to call my database and database user the same name. As for the password, I will use the same thing as my password. So I will copy the name and use it as my password. This will make it easy for me. After that, click Create User. Here I need to grant privileges for the database user. Instead of clicking one by one, I will just grant all privileges, then click Next Step. Just like that, the database and database user has been created. Now I need to save this somewhere so I don't forget it. Now is the time to upload the database file into the database we just created. So I will go back to the cPanel homepage and then scroll down and click PHP My Admin. This is where you can upload a database file. Just click here and click on the database you just created. As you can see, it is currently empty. Now we can upload the database file. The database file is inside the Toner Bank folder. So I will go to my domain folder. Here you can see a file called database.sql. This is the database file I need to upload. So I will highlight it, then click download to download it to my computer. The file will be downloaded to my computer in a few seconds. So if I open my file manager, here you can see it. Now all I need is to drag and drop it inside the database system. So I will go back to PHP My Admin. Here I can drag and drop the database file. Wait for it to finish loading and show success. After that, the database file has been uploaded successfully. Now I have created my database and also uploaded a database file to it. What I need now is to link it with my website. To do that, I need to open my website folder, then open the main folder. Inside, I need to open .env file. This is the file that connects my website to my database. So I will highlight it, then click Edit. This will open a new tab with all the information about the database connection logic. Here I can enter my database name, database user, and database password. But first, let me change the URL to my own website URL. As you can see, this is not actually my website URL. So I will go back to my website. Here I can copy the URL of my website. I need to make sure I am copying the entire URL. If not, it will not work. Then I will go back to the database connection file. Here I will enter my website URL. Then I can proceed to enter my database name, database username, and then password. If you remember, I saved my database information in a sticky note. And to make it easier, I use the same thing as my database name, username, and password, which means I need to paste the same thing in all the three fields. I'll leave every other thing the way it is. This file is very sensitive. If anything go wrong here, the entire website will not work. So if you are doing it, be very careful. After all that, I will click Save Changes. Okay, now let me test my website and see what will happen. I will just go back to my website and click Refresh. As you can see, my online banking website is fully ready. Everything is working perfectly fine. Users can log in or register. Now let me show you how to log in as the admin of the website. In your URL, just type /admin and click enter. Here you can log in as the admin. The username and password is admin, all lowercase. Then click login. Here you can see I have successfully logged in as the admin of the website. Here they will advise you to change your username and password because it is very important. If you don't change them, then any person can log into your website backend, and that is not a good thing. So click change to change the username and password. Since this is just a tutorial video, I will leave it like that. Here you can manage everything. You can see and edit payment methods. You can manage DPS, manage FDS, loan, deposit, and so on. You can also change the website to maintenance mode so that when you are editing some details, users won't be able to access the website until you are done. If you like this video, support me with a thumbs up, then leave a comment. If you want more video tutorials on how to create all kinds of websites, feel free to subscribe. Also, my inbox is open if you want us to work together on your next project. Thank you for watching.